Okay, this is kind of interesting. So today it's a Sunday. It's also kind of a holiday. You'll see the date down below, but basically it's like Mid-Autumn Festival. There's different holidays, so they have this street closed off to traffic. Usually there's always one-way traffic that comes all the way through here, but today it's actually closed. So you can walk all the way down without cars constantly coming up and buses constantly coming up behind you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down the street and kind of show you what it looks like. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this particular street is actually called Correia Carlos Eugenio, and it kind of goes all the way down this way, and then you can see a mountain in the background. But we're gonna be, it starts a new street right at the corner here, Correia de Silva, and also Rua de Cunha, which is directly that way. And that's where we're gonna be starting our video. You can also go up this way. This is Quartel, and there's actually a rooftop stuff right there. And you can go all the way to the casinos from this way. But what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna walk down this street, which is now a pedestrian street for the holidays, which is quite unusual. Usually we're always having buses coming by here all the time. As another side, we just recently had a typhoon came through today. It's category 3 right now, so it was category 8 as of 1 o'clock, which is now it's about 3 o'clock. Hello. So before we go down our street, let's check out Cunha down that way. You can see the crowds and crowds of people. It's kind of amazing. And they'll have different festivals over here. So I think right recently they've been having the Lunatic Fringe Festival. And we even got some, let's just go over there and see what they're doing there. Looks like they even have some characters there. Which is kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna go down our street. There's even a makeshift information tourist booth. And that's our street right over there, so let's get right back to it since that's going to be our focus today. There's lots of K-pop stuff. We kind of take a look at that one. So this one, they just put all this wall up that has Pokemon, Big Bang, all kinds of stuff, Stray Kids. And there's a shop right there with all the K-pop stuff right there. So let's go on down. Yeah, it's kind of amazing. This street usually always has all these buses, so being able to walk down the middle of it. The downside right now is the sun is coming up, which is kind of bleaches out the let me see if I can get to the side, it's a bit better. Yeah, usually you always have buses coming here all the time. Lots of cars, taxis, dropping people off. And then usually you have to have all these guards right here as well. So there'll be like 4 or 5 guards here at all times in the busy time periods, like right now. And now you don't have any of that. It's completely pedestrian friendly. Okay. It actually feels less crowded now. Because usually you're pushed to the sides. You have to walk on these narrow little streets. Like going the side right here. And I have to navigate through that usually. Oh, let me just kind of come up here real quick. There's also these little side streets like this one, which is Kosho. And that just kind of leads right up, and then you can also go up that way as well. Okay. Yes, everything's completely different. Goes to capture the Galaxy Casino. Like usually, again, you know, when the buses are coming by all the time, it's like you can't comfortably walk on this particular street. There's lots of new stuff. There's another little Baco thing, patio, very narrow one. There's Asia Boutique Inn. Looks like that's actually. For some reason, I just checked it to see. Looked like the stabilization was off, but I checked it and it was fine. Stabilization is when it like starts shaking everywhere. So when I was looking at the video, it looked like it was shaking. but now it seems fine. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, let me know where you're from if you're watching the video. I usually, I need to get more attention to the channel and get it into the algorithms more, because I'm, you know, if you see my channel, basically, I generally don't do, I'm just kind of go in here real quick. I generally don't do content which creates a lot of emotion, negative or positive. And that's how, let's get right in this real quick. This is really colorful, all these beautiful buildings in here. But because I don't do that, mine is fairly neutral, which has almost no comments, which is fine. But I should probably try to get a little bit more comments. So maybe just let me know like where you're from. This is really good, these classic Portuguese sandwiches. They just started this one recently. They'll put even a, I think this is it. They'll put a little booth out here as well, and it goes around the corner. Anyways, that's not our focus. Our focus is our straight up here. These are from all the different awards. Taipa Village. Plus you got these nice little lanterns that overlook it as well. So yeah, maybe make a comment, just kind of, maybe just tell me like where you're from. I'm still not going to do stuff that creates, I don't want a bunch of negative attention. So maybe just, you know, where you're from, what brought you to the channel. If you watched a lot of my other ones, maybe tell me like how many you've watched. Like I've seen, you know, 10 of your other videos or 100 of your videos. So you got some music here too. True Street. That's kind of cool. So I can hear some music in here, some Portuguese music. I like that. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. Yeah, there's actually a barrier all the way to the end here. This is also kind of interesting too, this building, this yellow, this white building next to the yellow one. It kind of has like this decor. Like it was, it's a Mandarin house. Yeah, kind of cool. It's kind of cool to not see. Let me see. This one has some kind of cool artwork right there. So that artwork is kind of new, that wasn't there before. Also have some Macau signs down that way as well. We're gonna keep on walking down. Pork chop bun. And then this one right here is this is like a fish restaurant, fresh fish. It looks like they're redoing it. Let me just kind of see. So you got this one side of the street, and then you have this side of the street. This one right here. And then you can actually eat up in that space right there. And that actually had a tree that hit it once. Oh, it looks like they're painting the whole building to the side. So I think we're gonna see something new here soon. And they, let me just kind of take a look real quick. So yeah, they're painting it. And they got fish in there as well. So that would be coming up with something new and different. Okay. So it looks like they're guiding the traffic in a little bit of a different way today. And they're making this into a pedestrian street. We have a nice temple right there as well. And then up in hills is kind of a little bit of a mountainside thing. So this is our Target Street next to this beautiful blue building. And then because we're in this area, we're gonna kind of highlight on a few other things that are kind of connected. Nice places to sit. Beautiful trees. Some nice artwork as well. This is nearby, Villa de Taipa. And then this is nearby too, in Koloan. This is within a couple minutes away, and this is on the other side of this island here. That's also in Koloan as well. And then that one as well. Hello. Pretty cool artwork. This one is the museum houses, which is also really close to here too. Okay, so we are going to come out to the end, and then this is comes out into a little plaza, and this is kind of a lot of restaurants on this particular street right here. Okay, so this was our target street right here. Now we're going to come to an end. We'll just make sure we capture our focus street. And there you go, a little slice of Taipa, as it was converted into a pedestrian street today on the holidays. You can almost never walk in this spot that I'm walking in right now. Alright, so a little slice of Macau here on a holiday, and we're going to end the video right there.